We're going to talk about how to make extra money as a cosmetologist. Becoming a hairstylist is a very exciting and diversified career choice. And while it can give you a tremendous amount of artistic freedom, it does not always result in financial well-being. The average stylist in the United States earns between about $40,000 to $50,000 a year, which is an average of about $4,000 a month, less expenses and overhead costs. However, there are exceptions where some stylists can earn way beyond this, but generally they are in exclusive areas such as Beverly Hills or Manhattan, where they can charge a substantial amount more per service. However, this is a trade-off for a much higher cost of living. As we are all aware, cosmetology school is not cheap, with the average cost to become a licensed cosmetologist ranging anywhere between $20,000 to $35,000. And the general rule of thumb is to enlist as an apprentice with minimal pay for 12 to 24 months to become more efficient in the industry. The challenge now is to find a solution that allows you to create extra revenue wherever possible. And the next step is to perfect extra skill sets, such as taking courses on color, cutting techniques, styling, and other salon services. Studies show that one of the quickest ways to make money as a stylist is to become proficient in and offer hair extensions in the salon. Surprisingly, over 80% of cosmetologists do not offer this extra service. Stylists and salons that add extension services see an average increase of at least $23,000 per year, now giving you, the stylist, a much more lucrative return on your investment. Therefore, the objective of this report is to give you a detailed description on just how easy, enjoyable, rewarding, both financially and emotionally, this arena can be. As with any new technique, skill is going to take both practice and dedication, and hair extensions are no exception. The beauty, however, is that with today's modern systems, they are relatively easy to become well-versed in, particularly if you have the right company providing the education. The two systems that are by far the most popular is the eye-tip and tape extensions. So you need to look for a company that will be offering you not only the best quality products, giving you the confidence that the hair will always be premium quality, ensuring your clients enjoying long-lasting, reusable, luxurious hair, but that will also offer the best education available. So coupled together, you are in good hands to maximize this opportunity. The goal has always been and always will be beauty, confidence, and happiness. And if you offer an excellent service to your guests, you will be rewarded in so many different ways. If your client looks good, they automatically feel good, therefore giving you the confidence to achieve your ongoing goals. So where does the money come from? When it comes to pricing, it is important to keep a few things in mind. Your time and expertise are valuable. Your years of experience and location will play a factor in how much you charge. However, following a few simple guidelines will assist you in maximizing profitability. When quoting your price, always keep in mind that the majority of the revenue will come from the maintenance, and always remember that the more affordable your initial install is, the more clients will be able to afford it. Typically, eye tips start at 20 inches or longer, and each bundle consists of 25 individual tips, and the tape extension should only come with 10 strips, 5 sandwiches, thus giving you a wider palette choice as opposed to limiting your client to only 2 colors. In each case, the general rule is 4 to 5 bundles of both eye tip and tape, and prices can vary based on length, weight, and types. One of the most important aspects to remember is quality should never be compromised, so when sourcing an extension supplier, be prepared to pay a little extra for elite quality. One point of view is not to be fooled with glib marketing, as most important requirement when looking for extensions is to ensure that they are 100% full cuticle. This ensures that the cuticle is intact, which not only gives longevity to the extensions themselves, but are far more versatile as they can generally hold color, moisture, and do not become dry or start matting. To guarantee that you prevent these concerns, all the hair needs to be lying in the same direction, and only a limited amount of companies can offer this guarantee. Another advantage would be to source an extension supplier that does the minimal amount of chemical processing to the hair, which will ultimately strip and damage the cuticle, which will also give a limited lifespan of the extensions, with performance falling off rapidly, resulting in disgruntled guests. It is an established fact that most of the hair extensions in the United States come from India, one of the major sources of hair extensions worldwide. But being that the hair is dark requires a lot of bleaching to lighten. Irrespective of how gentle the bleaching process is, it will still compromise the integrity of the hair, with most extensions only lasting 4 to 6 months. With the correct choice of supplier, the extensions can and should, with the correct maintenance, last anywhere from 12 to 24 months. That is why your initial research is so important. While it might be difficult to locate a hair supplier that offers a warranty on the hair, this is the ultimate find, as any company that is prepared to offer a warranty on their hair is a clear indicator that they have confidence in their product. Now, while some suppliers will offer you a warranty, this is normally at an added expense, and you have to ask yourself why. This added expense ranges from 15 to 20% of the initial cost. So be cautious, because now when you go to check out, you will see that your cost for the extensions has gone up dramatically, which reduces your bottom line. So while a supplier that offers a warranty at no cost expense is a rare find, we suggest that you take the time to diligently research on your supplier, because the truth be told, you're creating a form of partnership with this supplier and you're looking for a long-term relationship. Bear in mind that an unconditional warranty does not exist in the industry. There will be some limitations, such as chemical treatments or coloring will void most warranties, which is understandable considering stylists of all levels of expertise will be installing these extensions. So the time you put into your research now to find the ultimate supplier will pay huge dividends down the road and ensure you will have ongoing success with satisfied clients. We have already established good quality hair extensions will cost more, and typically a standard full head will require 4 to 5 bundles. You never want to pay for the extensions out of your pocket directly. Always ensure your client's deposit covers the cost of the hair. We suggest you should price to be comparable to your location, but even then, do not overcharge for the installation. Ideally, you should charge a 50 to 100% markup, taking into consideration that the I-tip installation, depending on your skill set, takes between 60 to 90 minutes and tape 40 to 60 minutes. However, never rush your installation and always make sure that you prep your station in advance of your client's arrival. So now you have doubled your investment. It is advisable to offer a complimentary wash and blowout a day or two after the installation for a variety of reasons. 1, very few installations are perfect on the first round, and more often than not, your client would like a few extensions moved as they adjust to the field. 2, this will give your client the opportunity to see how easy it is to handle them while washing and blow drying. And you can give them added instructions and tips, such as never blow dry the hair in an upside down position. As during the installation process, it is a lot for them to take in during the initial fitting. 3, it will also reassure your client that you are there for them should they need you, and establish a long-term relationship and give them the confidence to refer you to their friends and colleagues. As with any business practice, the more clients you attend to, the more you will grow in confidence, and down the road, once you are well versed in this art, not only will your installation time be reduced, but you will have fun by becoming a little more risky in your approach, which will open up a whole new world of creative thinking. This will afford you the opportunity to move with existing trends or create your own ones exclusive to your signature style. As stated above, if your extension supplier has excellent quality, you will find yourself creating incredibly exciting new color trends and be bold enough to start introducing vivid colors to clients who otherwise would have been concerned putting their own natural hair through this process. A note to consider that when doing color on any extensions, it is always advisable to start with a lighter shade on the spectrum and deposit color rather than starting with a darker shade and trying to lift. Remembering that the lighter shades have already gone through their lifting process, if a supplier provides 100% full cuticle hair, then depositing the color, you will be sure to have very little fading, as in true form the color molecules will be trapped in the cuticle, such as with naturally growing hair, giving you longer lasting results. When starting with a darker shade and trying to lift it, you are going back to the old added problem of using bleach, and this will ultimately strip or tear the cuticle, thus reducing the hair life expectancy. So why take the risk when the factory has already done all of the work for you? Furthermore, extensions can be used not only for adding length and volume, but replace the harsh effects of chemicals by using them for highlighting and low lighting. All clients that have extensions installed will need to return regularly to their original stylist for what we refer to as a touch-up or move-up, and this is the real meat on the bone, as the ideal time frame is to coordinate the service with their regular coloring, which typically is every 4 to 6 weeks. So while the guest is in the chair having their color processed, it gives you the opportunity to do the extension adjustment, which in both systems is approximately 45 to 60 minutes. And herein lies how lucrative the extension world can be. For example, a standard price for an adjustment would range from $100 to $150. And therefore, if a client returns every 4 to 6 weeks for a fee of $125, this will result in a gross return of $1,500 per year with very little out-of-pocket expense. So now you will understand the suggestion of making the initial expense more affordable, as the maintenance provides an ongoing revenue stream, as it is unlikely that any guest that has extensions installed and are well maintained will ever have them removed. So the objective would be to acquire a minimum of 1 new client per month, and before you know it, you will have 10 to 12 new clients in the first year, rendering you $15,000 to $18,000 extra dollars. Many stylists have reported that once they have achieved a certain level of expertise, their clients actually become a walking, talking billboard on their behalf, promoting their work to family and friends. And it should be expected that you will receive at least 1 to 2 referrals for every good installation, depending on your price point. From a marketing perspective, with your client's permission, it is always suggested to take a before and after of every installation. And as your portfolio grows, so will your examples of your work. And if you have truly put time and dedication into your skill set, it will not be long before you start seeing more and more people reviewing your work, which will ultimately result in more clients. Stylists who have dedicated their time to becoming a specialist in hair extensions have found their revenue increase tenfold, and they become the salon of choice in their area. In conclusion, we hope that this has been very informative, and the smart money says that those that take advantage of this opportunity will become part of an incredibly lucrative sector of the hair industry and will be sure to find newfound wealth.